Imagine going live, 4K stream running, games maxed out, face cam on, alerts popping, Discord open in the background, and your PC doesn't even flinch. No frame drops, no encoding lag, no sorry for the bad quality, guys. That's exactly what this machine was built for. A client came to us and said, I want the last streaming PC I'll ever need to buy. And this is what we built them. RTX 5090, Ryzen 9 9950X 3D, and every single component chosen with one goal in mind: zero compromises on stream or off. So here's the context for this build. Our client is a full-time content creator, gaming in real life variety. They stream on YouTube and Twitch simultaneously. They record separately for edited videos. They edit those videos on the same machine, and they game seriously, competitively at high settings. One machine, all of it, every single day. Most people in this situation are either running a dual PC streaming setup, one for gaming, one for encoding, or they're making compromises on stream quality because their CPU is already under load. We said, what if you don't have to compromise at all? What if one machine handles everything perfectly simultaneously? That's the brief we got, and this is the answer. Let's start with the brain. AMD Ryzen 9 9950X 3D, 16 cores, 32 threads. Now here's why this matters for streamers specifically. When you are streaming, your CPU is doing a lot simultaneously. Running the game, handling OBS encoding if you use software encode, managing your overlays, alerts, browser sources, Discord, all at the same time. Most 8-core CPUs crack under that pressure. You see stutters, frame rate drops in game the moment you go live. 16 cores on the 9950X 3D, it laughs at that workload. The game gets its cores, OBS gets its cores, everything runs in its own lane. No fighting for resources, no compromises. And then the RTX 5090, 32GB DDR7, NVIDIA Blackwell architecture. For streamers, the GPU is everything because this is where NVENC lives. NVIDIA's hardware encoder built right into the card. The 5090's NVENC is 8th generation. It produces stream quality that honestly rivals x264 software encoding at the same bitrate, but with zero CPU load. Zero. So your game runs at full speed, your stream looks incredible, and your CPU isn't even sweating. You can also dual stream YouTube and Twitch at the same time using two different NVENC instances. One card, both streams simultaneously. MSI X870E Carbon Wi-Fi, AM5 platform, Wi-Fi 7 on board. For a streamer who wants a clean desk setup with no Ethernet cable running across the room, Wi-Fi 7 gives you the stability and speed that used to require a wired connection. This is a real upgrade for streaming reliability. Samsung 9100 Pro 2TB NVMe Gen 5, the fastest consumer SSD available. Why does this matter for streaming? Because you're likely recording a local copy while you stream. High bitrate local recordings, 4K 60 FPS in a lossless or near lossless format. Each storage bandwidth fast. This drive writes at nearly 14,000 megabytes per second. It doesn't even notice you're recording in the background. And when you are done streaming, loading your editing project is instant. G-Skill Trident Z5 Royal, 32GB DDR5 at 7200 MHz. Browser open with 40 tabs for stream research? Fine. OBS, Discord, game, Spotify, all running? Fine. This RAM handles multi-application load without blinking. Asus ROG RIU 4360mm AIO, the 9950X 3D under sustained multi-threaded load. Game plus stream plus recording runs warm. This cooler keeps it quiet and controlled for 8-hour stream sessions. And that curved display on the pump head looks unreal on camera. Hyte Y70 Touch Infinite, and this one is specifically perfect for streamers. The panoramic glass panels means your viewers on a facecam stream can literally see your PC glowing in the background. It becomes part of your stream aesthetic. The built-in touchscreen on the front, you can display on your stream stats, CPU temps, or just your logo while you're live. This is a case that works with your stream setup. MSI Mag 1250 watt gold PSU, enough headroom for the 5090 under full gaming load. Lianli Unifan SL Infinity Wireless, no controller box cluttering the case. Lianli Streamer wireless cables for the GPU and motherboard, completely wireless RGB, total clean inside the case, because on stream, your setup is your brand. It should look the part. We tested streaming at 4K 60 directly to YouTube using the NVENC AV1 encoder on the RTX 5090. AV1 is the future of streaming. It gives you significantly better image quality at the same bitrate compared to H.264 or H.265. Most cards can't encode AV1 at 4K in real time without dropping frames. This card does it without breaking a sweat. And if your audience is on a slower connections, the same NVENC efficiency means your stream looks better even at lower bitrates. This is the big one for full-time creators. We ran 2 simultaneous NVENC encodes in OBS, YouTube at 1080p 68,000 kbps, Twitch at 1080p 66,000 kbps. Dual streaming, one PC, no dual PC setup needed, no NDI cable, just this machine doing both without complaint. Here's the part that makes this machine genuinely special. Stream's over, you have got a 3-hour local recording sitting on the Gen 5 SSD. You open DaVinci Resolve, load the project, add cuts, color grade, add your intro and outro, export the YouTube upload version, export time for a 20-minute edited clip in H.264 4K. Just a few minutes, no render farm, no sending files to your another machine. You stream, you record, you edit, you upload, all on the same desk, same machine. Just to see where the limit is, we ran everything at once. Game running, OBS streaming and recording, Chrome open with Stream dashboard, Discord voice call active, Spotify playing. System was completely stable. No thermal throttling, no crashes. This is what 16 cores and a 360mm AIO gets you. A machine that doesn't care how many things you throw at it. Now, I want to talk about something important. Because a machine at this level isn't just a streaming PC. And we made sure a client knows that. Yes, it streams flawlessly. We have shown you that. But this machine is also a professional video editing workstation. DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, Final Cut via Hackintosh, it handles all of it. 8K timelines, real-time playback, fast exports, a 3D rendering machine. If you ever want to add motion graphics, animated intros, or 3D elements to your content, Blender, Cinema 4D, Unreal Engine 5, the CPU and GPU are built for it. A music production setup, FL Studio, Ableton with hundreds of tracks and VST plugins, not a problem. And yes, an AI capable machine. 32 GB of VRAM means you can run image generation tools locally. AI video upscaling, AI noise removal in post, all on device in real time. The point is, our client didn't just buy a streaming PC. They bought a machine that grows with their career. Whatever direction their content takes them, this machine can go there too. That's what we mean when we say Empress PC builds workstations. Not just boxes for one purpose, systems for the full creative life. If you're a creator, streamer, editor, YouTuber, and you want a setup that genuinely never holds you back, come talk to us. You can DM us or Instagram or call us directly. We build custom. Every machine is put together for your specific workflow. If this video helped you understand what's possible, give it a like, drop a comment, and tell me what you stream. I genuinely want to know. Subscribe if you want to see more builds like this because we have got some very interesting projects coming up. See you in the next one.